Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days here on my channel where I'm doing a video every single day this month. Today's video is sponsored by Papercakes by Serena B. Serena is a very close personal friend of mine, but she is also an incredible artist and designer, and she has her own shop, which I will link down below for you guys, where she designs the most amazing and adorable digital collections. She also has stamps, sequin mixes, washi tape, and all sorts of other fun stuff over in her shop. So again, definitely check it out down below. But today I am using a couple of her stamp sets to make some mini pocket letters. I thought that would be a fun way to use them. So here I'm using some StazOn ink to stamp out some pumpkins and little ghosty guys on some watercolor paper. And I chose watercolor paper because I'm going to be using the Tombow dual brush pens to do some watercoloring in these little images. So I just added a ring of color around the outside and where I wanted a little bit of darker color to be on the inside of the pumpkin. And then I'm going to use a water brush to dampen that color and move it around my paper. Now, watercoloring with Tombow markers is really super easy because it is a water-based ink, so it works perfectly for watercoloring. I let those dry for a moment and then I went back in with a second layer of color just to kind of build it up, make it a little bit more dimensional. So I didn't like the pumpkin on the top, so that's why I just kind of let it be, and I'm focusing on some of the other pumpkins on the page. And then I will go in here in just a moment with some purple and color in these little ghosty shapes. So I'm using some purple just around the edges, and then I will blend that in towards the center with the water brush again, and this kind of just helps make it a little bit more of a gradient instead of just a solid purple color. Once those were dry, I used some more of the StazOn to stamp the little ghost faces on there. And I forgot the green of the stems of the pumpkin, so I'm just going to go back in, add those in, and then color in some of the black on the pumpkins as well. And I got a little bit color happy with the water brush, so I'm just cleaning up some of the white areas of the images with a white jelly roll pen. And I forgot on this pumpkin to color him in too, so I'm doing that. And then I will fussy cut out these little images with my favorite scissors. I will try to leave links down below to all the tools and supplies I'm using in today's project in case you guys want to get any of them for yourself. Once I finished cutting out all of the images that I was going to use, I went ahead and added some shaker pockets to my mini pocket letters. Now, Serena does make her own custom shaker mixes. They are freaking gorgeous. They're so beautiful, and I highly recommend them. If you struggle with making your own shaker mixes, or you just want some that are already done for you, definitely go check out Papercakes shop. Again, I will link it down below. They are amazing, and she has so many different colors, it's crazy. Here I'm going to go ahead and start decorating my cards. I did, by the way, go ahead and fuse the sequin pockets off camera. I do have a video on that if you guys are having a hard time with the fuse tool or you're new to it. I have a whole video filled with tips and tricks and real-time fusing of things, so again, I will leave a link below for you guys. But yeah, here I'm just making my cards. So I cut out some of her die cuts that she has in her Spooky Pastel collection, and I put them on my cards because I thought that'd be super fun. I'm bumping up this little Ouija planchette with some of the Tombow foam tape just to give it a little bit of dimension. On the previous card I layered up some washi, and you saw the little ghosty guy on there. And this bow was actually made by my friend Serena, and she had gifted me some Papercakes themed embellishments, I think earlier this year or last year, so I wanted to use those, and I thought this little bow would be perfect to cover up the fuse line. And then the last kind of touch on this card is to add some gemmies and enamel dots. So I'm just pulling from my stash, you know, some black, some purple, and some orange, and then it's time to put the cards in. And this little mini pocket letter is done. For the second mini pocket letter, I'm kind of following the same process, using the Papercakes journaling cards that I've cut down to fit into the pockets, layering on some washi, die cuts, enamel dots, and gemmies and things. But I wanted to talk to you guys really quick about the giveaway that Serena is hosting for this video, and I think it's super generous of her. She is giving away one digital Papercakes collection of the winner's choice. So if you were to win this giveaway, you could pick any one of her digital collections collections and she will gift that to you. So I think that's amazing. I love her stuff so much. If you guys have not checked out her shop, definitely go do that now. To enter the giveaway, you do need to be 18 or over, but it is open internationally since it is a digital product that you'll be receiving. You must be a subscriber to me. You must be a subscriber to Serena's YouTube channel, which is Serena B Creative. Again, I will leave a link down below for you guys. And all that you have to do after that is comment below this video which Papercakes collection you would choose if you won. So definitely go check out her stuff if you have not already. I know I definitely have my favorites. They're probably the Halloween collections, which she is known for Halloween, so that's no big surprise there. Her Nightmare Before Christmas inspired collection is really great as well. It's super fun. Thank you so much to Serena and to Papercakes for sponsoring this video and providing a fun giveaway for you guys. Don't forget to enter down below. Don't forget to do all the subscribing you need to do. But that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed these mini pocket letters. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for tomorrow's Creepy Crafty Days video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!